we guide you through how to block someone on Facebook. So the first thing you need to do is to open the Facebook app or website and go to the profile of the person you want to block. Then tap the three dots on their profile page and select block. Confirm your choice and that person will no longer be able to see your post, tag you, message you, or find your profile. If you don't have access to their profile, go to your settings, find privacy, then blocking, and manually type their name to block them from there. Keep in mind, blocking automatically unfriends them and removes any previous connections, and they won't be notified that you blocked them. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the blocking settings and unblock them, but you'll need to send a friend request again to reconnect. This is the fastest and most direct way to control who can interact with you on Facebook and protect your privacy.